Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to file an annual report for an LLC in Texas. So for Texas LLCs, this is usually handled through the Texas Comptroller website as part of the franchise tax filing process. So this is helpful because it keeps your business information updated and helps your LLC stay in good standing with the state. So to start, open up your browser and go to the Texas Comptroller website. And from the home page, click Taxes at the top menu to show more options. Then select File and Pay. So this will take you to the page where you can see the filing, reporting, and payment options. So on this page, you will see different ways to file a report or for an online filing. So choose eSystems Web File. If you already have an account, you can log in. If you do not have one yet, you can create an account and follow the instructions on the screen. So once you are inside Web File, choose the franchise tax filing option for your LLC. Fill in the required business details, including the company information, mailing address, and any required public information. After that, review everything carefully. If a payment is required, follow the payment steps on the website. If there is no payment due, continue and submit the report as instructed. And before you finish, save or print the confirmation page for your records. This is important so that you have proof that the report was submitted. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.